Okay, in this video, guys, we're going to look at a fully built site. I've completed the site build, and there are 5 main elements that you should be aware of so that you know how to manage your WordPress site. Okay, so first of all, we have category pages, and those redirect to hub silo pages. Okay, and that's done with the redirection plugin. And then we have money site posts. And then we have support articles that we use internal linking to link to the money site post. We're going to cover all of that in this video. Okay, so we're going to do some tweaks as we go forward here with this video so you can see exactly what to do as well. First of all, the category pages. Okay, you can see we've got 4 categories. Now, again, as I covered in the best practices video, you don't have to do all of these at one time. You can just simply save the money posts as drafts in the categories that you're not ready to use. Okay, you can see that I have changed the category names. It was previously category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4, etc. Okay, when you change the names of this, you want to also change the URL slug. So now if I've got on-page SEO, for example, whatever it is for your niche, you're going to change that to be exactly the same for the slug. That means that the redirection that I built into the template has changed. Okay, that's broken the silo, so we need to fix the silo. And what we want to do is we want to link the category page to the hub silo page. Okay, this is a category page that has not been redirected because we broke the redirect. You can see it's just a normal category page here. But when we redirect, it's going to redirect into the hub page. Okay, when it redirects into the hub page, it's going to look like this. Okay, let me just show you. Oh, I forgot to fix the typing here. And so this is a hub page. Hub page has got 2 call to actions. You can put your own call to actions there. You can see all of the content from that category is here. And it's also got some text here where you want to build in some keywords and talk about whatever that category is about. It doesn't have to be a lot of text, but you just want to get some keywords in here. Okay, this is good because it will help with the internal linking for all the pages within your silo, within that specific category within your silo. So we need to do the redirection from this page that we had here. Okay, this is the category page to the actual hub page. Now to do that, we're using the redirection plugin. So this one was actually number 4, I believe. Okay, so I'm going to come in here to the category section of your WordPress site. You go into post and click on categories. You can come down here, and so here we can get the URL, the new URL. We can copy that new URL and we can go over into the redirection plugin, and here is the old URL from the template. You're going to change that now to this. Okay, and the page that it's going to is simply going to be the same, but without this / category. Okay, there we go. Now if I update this from this point forward, then that is going to be redirecting to that. Okay, so I need to save it, which the plugin has done automatically for me. Okay, so now if I come over into this category page URL, it should redirect to the hub page. Okay, you need to do that. You need to do that so that you have got your hub page. Okay, you're going to do that for all 4 of your categories in here. So let's do one more. WordPress SEO plugins. I'm going to click on view, copy the address, come over here, and this was number 3, so I'm just going to put this in here. I'm going to paste the category URL in here. I'm going to paste it again in here for the destination URL, and for the destination URL we're just going to remove / category. Okay, so this would redirect to this URL as long as this URL exists. For this URL to exist, I need to go and change the name inside the template. If I come into the template, and here you can see I still haven't changed the name here. What I need to do here is I'm going to click on edit with the block editor, okay, or you can edit with the classic editor, or you can even use a quick edit. Okay, so I'll use the quick edit for this, and you can see the title here is still Hub Funnel 3 page. So I need to change that to fit whatever this is here that you have got for your own website. And this one is WordPress SEO plugins. Okay, so I'm just going to copy that, WordPress SEO plugins, and I'll come over into the quick editor, and I'm going to put in here WordPress SEO plugins, and I'm going to put in here WordPress SEO plugins. Okay, we'll give it the same title. I'll just fix that. A capitalization there. It shouldn't be there. Okay, now once I save that, it's saved in the folder Hub Funnel Pages, so that you can see when in your pages you've got core WordPress pages, landing pages, etc. You can just categorize your pages using this folder, so you can easily find them if you start to build a lot of content in your website. It just makes it easier for you later. Okay, so I'm just going to update this now. And now that's going to redirect to the correct page. So let's come back over to the redirection, and I'm going to copy this or highlight this, and I'll click on go to, and that should now take me to a hub page. Okay, this hub page here is done. Okay, I forgot to remove the sidebar on this. So I'm just going to quickly fix that. I'll close this off. I'll go into edit the page. Okay, in the layout, I want to click on where it says sidebar layout, and I'm going to say no sidebars in here. Okay, I'll update this in the next version of the template that I'm going to update as soon as I've finished these videos today. Okay, also notice in here, by the way, when you're in the pages, you can see this Chat GPT here. That's a Chrome extension. It's called Chat GPT for WordPress. And you can actually write your content from here as well if you want to, just to be able to have some extra content within your posts, or even within your silo pages. But anyway, let's go and have a look at this now, and we will come back over and we will redirect again. And now you can see the sidebar is gone, and we've got content in here. The thing that's missing from here is some text. Okay, so if I want to put some text in here, I'm going to click on edit the page. And what I can do is I can copy the name of my hub page or my category. Okay, and I can simply click up here, and we can choose to import a keyword, create an FAQ from content, for example. Let's try that one. And all we have to do is put in WordPress SEO plugins. You need a license key for this to work, by the way. You need to get that from Gumroad. Okay, it's free though. You can get it for free. It doesn't cost any money. Let me just grab that quickly. Okay, so I'll just grab this, and I'll come back over into my page, and I'll simply put that license key in here. It didn't cost any money. Then you can click on, there was a link there that you could click to go through to Gumroad directly from here. Okay, so you can put some FAQ on here if you want. You can even use it as an FAQ schema on your website as well, which would not be a bad idea. And if you want more questions, etc., you can keep clicking on continue. If I click that one more time, it's going to create more content. Okay, so what we can do then is we can just simply copy this. I just copy, and what we can do then is just put some text in here. Okay, we've got paragraph, we've got headings, etc. I'll just put this in here, and you can even put some H tags in here as well if you choose. Okay, let's see, we've got all of this. Should be one more. question here, we've got answer here. Okay, so if you wanted to, you can make this bold, or you can make it into H tags, etc. as well. It's entirely up to you. Okay, probably the H tags would make sense. I'm going to bold it for now. So I've got some other things I want to experiment with this, and you can see very quick, very easy. Okay, so you got some useful content, and then just simply update. Okay, now we're going to have a look at this. If I click on the preview up here, open up. Here's a hub silo page. Okay, it's got call to action, it's got some FAQ, and it's got the links, and so it's fully relevant. Okay, I would put another call to action here. I thought I actually had two in here. I'll update that in the next version, which I'm going to do today. Okay, so that's basically us covered the category pages, we've covered the hub silo pages, we've covered the redirection. Let's go and have a look at the site as it is right now. Okay, so you can see the home page has got all this information here. It's got all the blog posts, and you can see that these featured images that I created with Canva is basically the same design, where I just was quickly and easily able to go out and change the text on them. Okay, now anything here in the sidebar you can change. One other thing that you can leave as it is, or you can change if you want, is to remove the recent posts if you want. Okay, and that means your featured posts widget here will only show links to your money page. Okay, in the new version of the template I'm going to upload in a few minutes, this has already been done, so it will automatically add them for you. I've got a problem with the browser caching. That happens sometimes when you've got a caching plugin on the site, but they will appear here. But you can choose to remove the recent posts if you want, which I would probably do. In fact, I will do it for the new template update that I do, so that you've just got featured posts in here, and that means you're linking to those money site pages or money site posts from your home page, and that will help with the link juice as well. Now, one final thing we need to look at is the support articles. Okay, so let's have a look at that, and you can see within the post pages that I have created folders. Okay, and the folders have got support articles. Okay, so those articles that I've already made, they all have a checkbox to be support articles in the folders. Okay, so you can easily find them even if you change the URL and change the names in here. So let's go and find one. Let's go and find one for, say, WordPress SEO plugins. Okay, so if I open this in the classic editor, I'm just more comfortable working with the classic editor. What I want to do is to link to the money page. Okay, now if you don't know where to find your money page, just go into your pages, and when you're in your pages, you will see in the folders that I've got a section here for you to be able to easily find the first 4 money pages that have already been inserted into the template. So all I need to do is come over here to where it says WordPress SEO plugins, for example, and I can just right click where it says view and copy the link address, and then I can come back into the post. Now you can either create an effective anchor text, or you can go and find one. Okay, you can see up here I've got SEO plugins for WordPress. That is exactly the keyword I want for that. So all I'm going to do is highlight that. That's going to be my anchor text, and I'm going to put a link in here going to that money page. Okay, that's all we need to do, and that means that your support article is linking to your money page, and it's not linking anywhere else. Okay, it's linking to your money page. That just helps with the link just to pass through. So you're going to do that for each support article, to link to each of your or to link to the relevant money post that you have got. Okay, that will keep you your link just flowing. Okay, that's basically the core of this strategy, so do not forget to do this. Okay, and the reason I didn't add it in already is because there's no text on here. I could put some text in, but you need to do that with keywords that make sense for the article that you are linking to. Okay, I don't know what you're going to be linking to. You have to do that part yourself. If you want to get some suggestions on some keywords that would be effective for your money site post, you could ask or prompt ChatGPT for that information as well. You can just basically say, I'm writing an article about such and such. What are the 3 main keywords I should be using for internal linking? And you will get some suggestions from that. Okay. So that's it. That's the essential elements. Now, don't skip any part of this, and you will be okay as far as just following along with the little checklist that I've created, and just do each step. It doesn't take too long, and it just makes sure that you have got the template done. Now, if you were to try and do all of this yourself, let me tell you, it's taken me days to do this. In fact, I've been back and forward at this for weeks. I haven't sat and done it all at one sitting, and I've come back multiple times, improved it, and multiple times again came back and improved it and tweaked it, etc. So if you try to sit and do this all by yourself, it would take a little bit of time and take a little bit of planning and stuff. I've already done that, even down to having the folders inside the pages dashboard, inside the post dashboard, so that you can easily find stuff, because I'm using this myself. I built it for me to use first, so you know that it's been done nicely. Okay, so another update is coming as soon as I finish this video series, which I've got one more video to do. So if you're watching this and you haven't installed any hub silo page templates on a domain yet, you want to look for version 1.2. okay, version 1.2 or higher. Okay, the original version, I needed to do some tweaks and some optimization after I built this first site, but everything is here now. All elements are in place and everything is good. Okay, so this is going to give you the benefit of having a pre-configured WordPress site, not just for the plugins and for the calls to action and for the slide-ins and the pop-ups and for the SEO and for the speed, etc. It's going to give you as well that site structure, and all you have to do is do one category at a time. Start with one money post and 3 support articles, then go to another category, but you don't have to do it all in one sitting. Okay, and use the AI PRM Chrome extension for your support articles, just to help you to get it done quickly. Okay, there's one of those options in there that can give you completely unique content. It's not the highest quality content, but those support articles can always be built out again later. You just want to be able to move fast and get that internal linking structure start working for you, and you can start to link to these support articles. You can link to your homepage, and you can link to your money page as well. It just gives you more variations, and you know that any links coming in that are linking to your money post, all that link juice is flowing through there, so that you can help get rankings for those money posts, whether they are review posts or comparison posts or whatever it might be, information blogs or whatever it might be. It's going to benefit you because it's structured properly from the beginning.